Certicon is a Czech-owned, medium-sized company aimed at software development and testing, hardware design and applied research. We provide high-quality services to a wide spectrum of companies starting from global players like Medtronic and Bosch up to startups in the Czech Republic and abroad. We are very proud of the fact that our products are embodied in the bodies of 10,000 patients around the globe. That's the result of our cooperation with Medtronic in Minneapolis. And we are also proud that we have contributed to the efficient manufacturing in the Airbus factory, shortening the ramp-up time of production. We also provide efficient services to our Ministry of Finance, to Austrian company aimed at life-critical applications, and that we are also engaged in research activities with leading universities like Czech Technical University and Technical University of Vienna. The achievements are based on sharing the company values with our employees. It's dealt mainly with customer satisfaction, employee motivation and satisfaction, and quality. Quality is in the focus of our attention since the very beginning. And we are very proud that we are also able to deliver quality services to our public bodies, Ministry of Finance, and that we contribute to education of students and employees as a potential for future competitiveness of our country. Certicon is a company of unique nature which leverages potential of our knowledgeable employees and converts the know-how from academia to industry. We are very proud that we are able also to educate employees, to increase their knowledge and to prepare them for higher competitiveness of our country. Vote us.